Today's video is all about making money with ChatGPT. There are several different ways of how you can start generating an extra additional stream of income from ChatGPT. Whether that is starting your side hustle while working a full-time job, or whether you're looking for a way to start creating some passive income stream. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about an exciting topic of how you can generate income with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-generated website platform. Now, the first business that you can start generating money from ChatGPT is by starting an email marketing agency. And what's an email marketing agency? So this is where you can use ChatGPT to create emails for small businesses. So you can market yourself, establish yourself as an agency. You go into ChatGPT and you start typing different types of emails. So for example, I'm sure you're used to Fashion Nova or Shein, you're getting emails constantly, right? So you know what email marketing is. And a lot of businesses, especially small businesses, they don't have the time to email, to send, to market their business, to promote their business through emails. So you can start creating different types of emails and you can use this as a subscription. So say, for example, you set up the first set of emails, you can set up a welcome email sequence, and that can maybe be around 5 different emails. Then from there, you can set up a package where you have like 2 emails per month sharing something specifically to that business, whatever niche that business is around, and you just go into ChatGPT. Create for me a series of 5 welcome emails for a fitness business. ChatGPT is going to go and type out, share with you, give you all of these different emails that you will need. Then next, you're going to go into ChatGPT again, and you're going to say, I need 24 emails for this type of business. Say, for example, again, it's a fitness business you're starting up. So then ChatGPT is going to give you those 12 emails. Set them up and you send them off to the client. How easy is that? Number 2 is to create a niche specific YouTube channel. Now, again, you're going to go into ChatGPT and you're going to ask ChatGPT to give you some list of ideas of different topics that you're interested in for you to start your YouTube channel. You can even ask ChatGPT to share with you a list of trending niches that are currently on YouTube. Or you can even say, ChatGPT, give me 10 high-paying niches that are now trending on YouTube. When you get that information, now you can go through these 10 different niche ideas and you can look into which one of them you have the knowledge, the gifting, or the expertise in. And then you can go back now into ChatGPT. So say you confirm your niche is in finance. Now you're going to say, ChatGPT, please create for me 10 different YouTube video ideas that I can create for this niche. You don't stop there. You go in again. You're going to choose one video topic each, and you're going to say, okay, ChatGPT, please write me a script for this YouTube channel with the one that you choose. And then you're going to say, not only just write me a script, you're going to say, please write me a description that is CEO optimized and will rank #1 on Google. Now, with doing this strategy and creating a niche YouTube video, you have a high risk of ranking high and kickstarting your YouTube journey to a success. Start making money passively. Number 3 is blogging. Just as how we did the YouTube niche specific, if your gifting is in writing, you like writing, blogging, then you can go into ChatGPT if you're not sure on the niche that you want to start blogging in. Again, ask ChatGPT the same question. Give me 10 blogging niche that I can start creating blogs on. Not only that, again, you can go in to say, okay, please write me a blog on this topic. And if you already have a YouTube channel, then kudos to you, bonus to you. You can use those YouTube channels scripts. You can use your YouTube channel scripts that you have written before for your YouTube channel, and you can plug them into CHAT GPT, and you can ask CHAT GPT to convert this YouTube content into a blog. Now, you're not just going to just take whatever CHAT GPT is telling you, of course. You're going to tweak it, make it suitable for your target audience, and make it more appropriate to match whatever goal you're trying to achieve with that blogging. Got it? Let me know in the comments if this is making sense. Number 4 is to start an online course. Yes, ChatGPT can create for you an online course which you can plug into Teachable, and you can start making money. Again, you can go into ChatGPT, type it out, ask it to create for you a course with whatever specific niche again for you, and ChatGPT is going to give you some course ideas. From there, you're going to say, okay, ChatGPT, please create chapter 1 for me. And it's going to break it down. So the thing with ChatGPT, it might not give you everything that you ask for at once. So you go in stages, asking for one thing at a time. It's AI generated. So don't think that, don't confuse it. And it acts as a person. So don't surprise when it responds to you. Say, okay, yes, I'm glad you're happy with the results. If you need any further questions, then don't be afraid to ask me for any further questions, right? So create your course on ChatGPT, whatever niche, and you put it on a platform to sell as a passive source of income. Number 5. Now, this is another genius way of how you can make money with ChatGPT, is to create a YouTube agency. Now, what is a YouTube agency? Just as though you would do your YouTube videos where you have full control of your editing, your design, your scripting, your thumbnails, you are going to offer that service to someone, especially if they have multiple YouTube channels, if they are not sure what to do, if they have no idea of starting up YouTube, and if you have some experience in doing a YouTube channel, then why not go into ChatGPT and ask them, okay, this person is creating a mental wellness YouTube channel. ChatGPT, please give me 10 YouTube video ideas for this client. Not only that, you're going to ask ChatGPT to write you the script, to give you the thumbnail idea. And you're going to create that in packages, and you're going to sell it to your ideal client. Market yourself, promote yourself as a YouTube expert, and start collecting money for your expert advice and your expert services. Go on to number 6. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button so that I know that these are the type of content you are interested in, so that other women can see this video and start generating money using ChatGPT also. Number 6 is to write and self-publish your book on Amazon KDP. Now, I did mention this before in one of my previous videos of how I wrote my book and self-published it on Amazon KDP. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can go check it out right here after watching this video, of course. When I did my book, I didn't use ChatGPT. It wasn't around as yet. But fortunately for you, ChatGPT is here, and I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. So I would advise you to utilize this service right now, because it is so much easier to write and self-publish a book these days. So you have your book idea, and even if you don't have you have an idea but you don't have the right topic for the book, you can go into ChatGPT, ask it to give you different ideas for different title ideas for the type of book you're planning to write. Not only that, after you choose the one that you want, then you're going to ask ChatGPT for the content, highlighting the content of this ebook. When you're done with that, you're going to now ask ChatGPT to help you with each content. So you're going to say, okay, since you mentioned number 1, defining what is my purpose. For example, please tell me, how can my client find their purpose? So ChatGPT is going to just plug that out for you. Now you can use Canva. When you get that information, of course, you're going to tweak it. I always recommend that you tweak it, personalize it, let it sound like your brand voice, whatever your brand values are, and just make it have some personality to it, right? Then you're going to use Canva and you're going to create your ebook and upload it to Amazon KDP. I will be doing a more specific video of how to do that. So if you are interested in seeing that video, go and subscribe so you will see when that video drops. Number 7, this is another genius way of how you can make money with Canva. This is also if you have the gift of writing, and this is by becoming a freelance writer. Yes, you can do this also with Chat GPT. I'm telling you, Chat GPT makes our life so much easier. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to ask Chat GPT to create articles, to write blogs, different stuff that your target audience will need. Then you're going to create your profile on Upwork or Fiverr. Then you can offer the services, right? You can even being an editor, right? Because this also comes under freelance writing. So if somebody has a book, they wrote a book and they want it to be edited, then the first thing they're going to do is head over to Fiverr or to Upwork, and they're going to hire somebody to do this work for them. Now, that reminds me of when I did my book. I wanted an editor to go over to ensure that there weren't any spelling mistakes in my book that I didn't realize, right? So if you are good, writing is your gift, English is your gifting, then create your profile, take it over to Upwork or Fiverr, and you start your freelance writing business. Now, if you're looking for more ways of how you can start your side hustle as a beginner, looking for passive income streams, online business ideas, then I have a list of 50 different side hustle ideas that you can choose from. So if you still didn't find any in this video, I will leave the link in the description below so you can go check that out. Now let's go to our final way of how you can start making money from ChatGPT. And this is to start a branding agency. If you are creative and your gifting is in design, graphic designs and branding and all those things, then why not utilize ChatGPT to help you to set up a branding agency? Now, if you go into Chat GPT again, you just ask and it will deliver. It's that easy. Ask and it will tell you. If you don't get the specific information you're asking for, tell Chat GPT to break it down. Tell Chat GPT that, you know what, I didn't like these ideas that you mentioned. Can you give me 10 more? So for example, for your branding agency, you can offer different color palette, different font, a slogan, logo ideas, vision, the mission for the company. So everything under one umbrella. And who is this suitable for again? Small businesses, new entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs. You start market and you start promoting to them so they know that this is your expertise, and you will start making money from your gift with the company, with the assistance of ChatGPT. Now, if this video helped in any way, let me know in the comments. And if you're not sure of how to start a business, then check out this video right here, which will help you to break down of how you can get started with your business. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.